Hello everyone, welcome to the 72 Dragons Health channel. I am Dr. Pietro Aparicio, and today we will discuss the contributions of the natural environment towards public health by celebrating this global event, World Environment Day, addressing the importance of the natural environment. While observing daily health news clips, we often encounter brief mentions regarding environmental protection. But have we ever considered conducting an in-depth investigation into the causes behind it? Probably not. Before delving into details, let us discuss the benefits provided to us by the environment and the factors disrupting their quality. The environment that surrounds us consists of several ecosystems, protected atmospheric layers, and clean food and water resources. It provides food security, clean water, protection against climate change, and prevents disaster risk to all organisms. However, certain man-made factors such as large-scale industrialization, deforestation, increased utilization of plastics and microplastics, excessive pollution, and biodiversity exploitation are negatively impacting the natural environment. This leads to the propagation of zoonotic diseases, malnutrition, a lack of clean air and water, and a loss of natural equilibrium among humans. From a public health perspective, it becomes crucial to address these environmental hazards to preserve our natural resources. What can be done to improve the quality of natural resources for future generations? Here, World Environment Day serves as an excellent platform to advocate for awareness regarding environmental issues. World Environment Day is a global event commemorated on June 5th each year by the United Nations Environment Program to gather support from nations in the pursuit of solving the emerging health threats arising from natural environmental disruptions. The 2024 theme for World Environment Day is Generation Restoration, which aims to slow down the rapid process of desertification and preserve natural resources for future generations. Restoration of natural resources and prevention of the occurrence of frequent droughts can highly benefit vulnerable populations by reducing the health risk associated with climate change, indirectly affecting the spread of zoonotic diseases. At the grassroots level, healthcare professionals address climate change and other environmental issues during their primary healthcare services. Effective green health initiatives employing a total management quality framework, restructuring the working capacities of medical establishments, and emphasizing planetary education in nature-based care interventions can highly benefit the understanding of high-risk populations and their responsibilities toward the natural environment. World Environment Day presents itself as a unique opportunity for global collaborations to address environmental issues and ecological distress. Restoring natural resources and maintaining biodiversity can change the course of the environment we aim to preserve for future generations. Let us come together and unite to promote healthy environmental practices and make this world a better place for sustainability and resources. That's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe for more valuable information. Thanks for watching.